Every few years, carbohydrates are vilified as public enemy number one and are accused of being the root of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and more. As a society, we view carbs as the enemy of all macronutrients, and we actually need carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential for everything that we do. I feel that I'm qualified to inform you on all the macronutrients because I have done a great amount of research, and I actually used to be anorexic. So by using all of this information and by the help of God, of course, I was able to overcome anorexia nervosa. Many individuals are misinformed on all the macronutrients, so today I'm here to inform you on the importance of carbohydrates in the body, 2, the necessary amount of protein an individual should consume, and 3, the importance of fats in the diet. According to diet.com, there are 2 types of carbs in the body. There are simple carbs and complex carbs. Simple carbs can easily be digested, and they are turned into energy very quickly. Complex carbs can stay on your stomach longer, and they still turn into energy. So we need both of them for necessary processes in our bodies to occur and for our bodies to have energy. Simple carbs are known as glucose or fructose. And complex carbs include sucrose, lactose, maltose, maltodextrin, fructooligosaccharides, starch, amylose, and amylopectin. And complex carbs are just simple carbs in long strands. So a long strand of a bunch of simple carbs put together. Carbs can be converted into energy very quickly, so they are the main source of all energy in our body. Glucose, a simple carb, is the main sugar in our body and the only sugar that our brain and nervous system can use. So our brains function off of glucose and the energy that carbohydrates give us. So carbs are essential in our diets, and if we do not eat the amount of carbs that we need and we undergo a low carb diet, that can cause ketosis, which is a raise in pH to where it becomes acidic, and that can actually be life-threatening, and it can cause a large muscle loss. So we don't need to undergo any low carb diets. Proteins. Most Americans eat too much protein. On ChooseMyPlate.gov, the website, USDA states most Americans eat enough from this food group, but need to make leaner and more variety selections of this food. Protein. Cells in our body actually contain a large amount of the amino acids that are needed in our body. So there are 20 amino acids that our body has, and 9 of them are essential, which 9 of them are the only ones that we actually need to consume through our diets. Our bodies can't absorb a large amount of protein because we already have the amino acids in our body, so it only consumes what it needs. So if you eat too much protein, then your body essentially just spits it out through your urine. On InnerBody.com, Weisner states, our bodies reuse most of the released amino acids, but a small portion is lost and needs to be replaced in the diet. So we only need a small portion to be replaced in our diet. The RDA, or Recommended Dietary Allowance, does not state that eating more protein helps with muscle recovery or helps you have more muscle. So if you believe that you need to eat a ton of protein because you are doing some type of exercise, that is false. Fats. To inform you on the importance of fats, they actually are higher in kilocalories, but in the 1980s, individuals and experts actually said that we need to consume less fats because it'll help with weight loss, and that's why it became popular that we shouldn't eat fats, and that is false. Fats actually help with blood clotting and help maintain inflammation and does not let inflammation occur. It fights it. It helps food taste better, and it reduces the size of blood vessels, and it transports nutrients. We should consume a high amount of unsaturated fat, which are natural fats and that our body needs, and focus on not consuming trans fats or saturated fats. So today I informed you on the importance of carbs in the body, the certain amount of protein that an individual should consume, and the importance of fats in our diet. New information that I would like to add is, although all of the macronutrients are important in our diets, we should make sure that you exercise and do not eat more than you actually exercise out. So don't have a higher calorie intake than the exercise that you do, or that will eventually turn into fat. And do not focus on the scale. Losing fat is not the same as losing weight. Losing weight is what we should not focus on. You can lose muscle and still lose weight, but losing fat actually helps your body function better and helps you look better and have the acquired physique that you would like. Thank you.